In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Canva logo with circular text. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, adding circular text to your logo can give it a unique and polished look. So let's jump right in and start the process. First, you'll want to head over to Canva. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL to get to the Canva homepage. Once you're there, make sure to click on Continue to proceed. This button is usually prominently displayed, guiding you towards the sign-in options. Next, you'll need to select your Google account. If you're already signed into Google, this should be a breeze. Just choose the account you want to use. For those who aren't signed in yet, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Take a moment to ensure you select the correct account to streamline the process. After signing in, click on Continue to finalize the login process. Once you're in your Canva account, you'll want to open the project you're working on. This means navigating to where your logo project is saved. If it's your first time, just start a new logo design project. Now go ahead and select the text you intend to make circular. Click on the text box that you want to modify. This is usually as simple as clicking directly on the text within your project. Once you've selected your text, look for the Effects button. It's located near the top of the editor menu. Click on it and you'll see a list of available effects to choose from. Here you'll find the options that Canva provides for transforming your selected text. Now click on the Curve effect. It's an easy-to-use tool designed to give your text that desired circular shape. Once you've applied the Curve effect, you'll notice a slider appearing. This is where the real magic happens. Adjusting this slider will allow you to control the degree of curvature in your text. For a more circular effect, slide to your right. For this particular example, I'll set the curve value at about 51. But remember, the exact number will depend on how tight or loose you want the curve to be around your logo. When you're satisfied with the curve, it's time to position the text around your logo. Simply click and drag the text to where it best complements your design. Pay attention to balance and alignment to ensure the text enhances the overall look. And feel free to tweak the curve if necessary for the perfect fit. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, your logo featuring circular text is complete. All that's left is for you to take a step back, review your design, and admire